Hey guys! Hi! How are you all? Here I am again with another inspiring story for you. The seed that refused to give up. In a quiet corner of a vast field, beneath layers of cold, heavy soil, lay a tiny seed. It was small and fragile, yet inside it burned a great dream to grow into a magnificent tree, to stand tall against the sky, and to offer shade and comfort to all who sought shelter beneath its branches. Days turned into weeks. The seed felt the pressure of the earth pressing down on it, making every movement a challenge. The darkness around was deep and lonely. Sometimes the seed whispered to itself, "Is this struggle worth it? Am I strong enough to grow?" One night, after a storm had passed, the seed heard a gentle voice carried by the wind. "Remember, little one, even the tallest tree begins as a small seed. Patience and persistence are your greatest allies." Encouraged by this, the seed summoned every ounce of strength. It pushed through the soil bit by bit, sending tiny roots deep to anchor itself and a small shoot toward the light it could barely imagine. The journey was tough. Sometimes rocks blocked its way. Sometimes drought made the soil hard and cracked. Other times, animals disturbed the earth, making the path uncertain. Yet the seed never gave up. One early morning, as the sun stretched its golden fingers across the sky, a small green sprout finally broke through the surface. It was tender and vulnerable, trembling in the wind. Nearby, an old oak tree bent its branches and whispered, "Welcome to the world, young one. Stay strong, grow tall, and you will become the shelter others seek." The sprouts soaked up the sun's warmth, danced with the breeze, and weathered every storm that came its way. It learned to bend when the wind blew hard, to drink when the rains arrived, and to reach higher with every passing day. Years passed. The sprout grew into a mighty tree with sprawling branches and deep roots. Birds sang from its boughs. Travelers rested in its shade. The tree had become everything it had dreamed of, and more. One afternoon, a young seed lay near its roots, looking up in awe and wondering if it could ever grow so tall. The tree smiled with the rustle of its leaves and said, "Every journey begins with a single step. Keep pushing through the darkness, believe in yourself, and one day you will rise too." Moral of the story: no matter how hard life's challenges may seem, the strength to overcome lies within you. Persistence, faith, and patience can turn the smallest seed of hope into a towering tree of success and inspiration. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more stories.